In all fairness to Marvin Folke Sr.
West Side Stories. Come on now. Don't Stop Records. Once again. Yeah, it's like I'm visioning, picturing, once again, living my awards, my trophies. Me, I'm that boy, laughing, sitting here, finery, I'm eating first class.
Finally.
My girl doing what she's supposed to do.
Exactly.
Doing what she's supposed to do.
Come on now.
Glory to the God, is what I say.
That's what I like.
Iron my clothes.
That's right.
Nice shower that I took for an hour, always an hour now. Not a few minutes no more. Like when I was somewhere else, living somewhere else, and people tripping about their water.
Yeah,
It's all good, it's my water, so I pay for that. Yeah, I pay for that.
I did.
So I'm living my life right. Yes, you smell good. Smell good in my fortress. You smell
Smelling
good
real
like
good in here.
Febreze, please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It smell good in here.
on the computer.
Right there.
Networking, social networking, and then
Hey y'all.
me making classical hits
Nehemiah.
on the repeats and
Come on now.
compact CDs, MP4s, MP3s, and
Blaze heat.
earlier things from back then that I still use to this day, just to still say this and that. I'm here, right?
I'm here now, you know?
I gotta spread the word like I was spreading butter, and
I gotta do that.
matter of fact, peanut butter jelly
Yeah.
on the bread. That's what the bread is. There.
Spread it all over.
No slices, count the loaf. I'm tired of the slices, now I'm used to the loaves as I'm baking in the kitchen.
I'm used to that.
Fresh out the shower, Irish Spring, or the zest thing, suave thing. I kept the real classic with the suave thing, yeah.
I really did.
Right, I'm not lying about that, right? Come on now. Relaxing on, watching the flash screen with my girl, right there, right?
Right there.
Nice, warm in the house.
Feels good.
That's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be warm in the house, and I'm supposed to be feeling good, right?
Feel good.
And she chilling, right?
Yeah.
She handling her business, right?
Come on now.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
I ain't got to say much. It's already explained.
Feels good like suave.
Yeah. Snow falling. Looking out the
Snow
window and
falling
still watching
outside.
TV, chilling. She asks me, what do I want to eat? Whatever that she make for the topic. But she asks me for a reason because she want to make how I really want it. Go ahead, girl. Come on now.
Sardines and rice.
Don't you ever stop. Never stop it. Never ever. Don't you ever stop. Come on now.
Come on.
School of hard knocks. We was right there when we was little. We was right there back then, right?
In all fairness to Marvin Folke Sr. Don't Stop Records.
West Side.
West Side Stories.